6 to 7 weeks into the Bluemuda journey. I was out for the holiday. Nothing happened, no cutting, no blowing of the leaves. Leaves are almost all gone from the trees, so that's exciting. I'm gonna blow this out, give it a cut, and see where we're at. And just in case you were wondering, I'm not gonna do an edge. I did an edge about a week ago, so that's still good. But overall, the Bermuda and the KBG have been in step with each other. They haven't fought each other. The Bermuda, surprisingly, is still there. There are a few areas that have gone dormant and also didn't receive any KBG. So those are the most obvious areas where you see zero greening, especially this nice young lime green from the fresh seedlings. I'm really impressed with how this Kentucky bluegrass mix has incorporated itself within this established Bermuda. I still think it's a common Bermuda, but as I maintain the height of cut at 6.6 inches, definitely saw a much tighter canopy, a much lower growth as it started to spread laterally instead of vertically, Bermuda. So I'm excited to continue keeping that at a low height. The front is kept typically at that 0.6, at least that's what I introduced in the summer. And for the establishment of the Kentucky bluegrass, I've decided I'm going to maintain it at about a little over an inch just to give more lateral growth, and in hopes that that will also spur rhizome spread. When you keep Kentucky bluegrass at a shorter height of cut, it tends to stunt the rhizome spread. Now I want it to spread. I want it to get lateral, to fill in a little more in these cooler months as we enter December and go into the colder January and February here in Dallas. We're in climate zone 8. So all in all, really impressed. It's Kentucky bluegrass from Ryan Knorr, his seed mix. Picked that up before we had all the seed shortage. And here we are in the fall, Dallas, Texas. It's doing great. Let's get started. Now that looks nice and tidy after the holiday. Coming back, there was some rain, and maintaining this now at 1.5 inches, and it's responding really well. Again, I would go lower to align the Kentucky bluegrass with the 0.6 inch that the Bermuda was maintained at. However, this higher cut should help promote more rhizome spread and establishment as we head into the cooler months. So extremely satisfied. Here you can see a patch of Kentucky bluegrass growing in between the concrete, also mixed in there with the Bermuda grass. So yeah, how does it look? Better than I expected. Definitely a lot better than I expected. It's grown in well, and the true test won't be the winter here in Dallas. It will actually be the summer if we can keep the Kentucky bluegrass going. So I'd say it's been about a month since the last fertilization application. We'll probably get another going here. Now that the ground looks dry after the rain we had over the weekend, the holiday break, I'm excited to continue this Bluemuda journey, and I hope you stick around and we'll get some updates on the backyard, the tall fescue. That's already been established about 7 or 8 weeks now. So thanks for checking this out, and catch you on the next one. Peace.